Brownies can be either cakey or fudgy. Today we'll be making a cakey brownie. Soon we'll also look into the fudgy one. Take a mixing bowl and combine 20 gram cocoa powder, 3/4 teaspoon coffee powder, 20 gram chocolate, quarter cup hot water. Now mix thoroughly until the chocolate melts and is combined with other ingredients. Add 25 gram room temperature butter and keep mixing. Then add quarter cup oil, 1 full egg and an egg yolk. Also add half teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix thoroughly with a balloon whisk. Now let's add 185 gram sugar. Mix it well for the sugar to melt. Then add 150 gram of all-purpose flour. Combine the entire mixture with a spatula. You can also use a whisk to mix until all the lumps are broken down. Finally, add 45 gram of chocolate into the mixture and mix well. Line a cake tin with parchment paper and pour the mixture into the tin. Tap the tin on the surface to remove the air bubbles. Now bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. So that's about it. The brownie is ready with a soft crisp layer on the top. Try this and let me know how it goes in the comment section below. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.